Next is match of the day. Chotin Chen, who will be against Victor Axelsen. Timing will be 8:10 p.m. No matter what you are doing, I will recommend please watch this match. First of all, Chotin Chen. When last week when he was in finals against Kunlaut Widerson, we saw how good Kunlaut was and how good Chotin Chen was. We all know Chotin Chen won there, and it was a crazy good match. But after that, there was some pictures of Chotin Chen that was circulating on internet that his leg was completely with blood. He was getting injured. Still, he won. A few years ago, he was having some diseases in body. No matter all over the world, no one was and no one knew that what was going with Chotin Chen. He survived that. He came back. He's still performing. He's 35 years old, young. He's still winning. He's defeating younger players around 23, 24 young age players. He's beating them. And right now, that I will say that leg of Chotin Chen, when I saw that it was filled with blood, and I was like, man, how he won that match. And when I was watching that match, I was literally thinking that, man, he is giving his best life's best performance. And right now he will be against Victor Axelsen, who is trying to do a comeback here after his big long injury. He took his time to get recovered and everything. But let me tell you one thing: Victor Axelsen's mindset, as I've discussed in Anders Antonson's part 2, his mindset is completely different. Victor Axelsen is one of the few players who can defeat any other players. He was at 17, I think, so when he defeated Tawfiq Hidayat. I will recommend you to please go and watch that match, Victor Axelsen versus Tawfiq Hidayat. Man, what a match it was. And that was the match I have seen, that match few years back, and I saw with his mindset. Whenever he's playing in finals, in semi-finals, you see the fire inside him. We know that Victor Axelsen is going to win here. This is the type of player Victor Axelsen is, and I always get impressed whenever Victor Axelsen is playing. So he will be against Chotin Chen. Same words that I said about Anthony Ginting, I will say here too.